In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find zoom filters. If you want to change how you look on camera or add a more polished style to your meetings, Zoom has a built-in filters section that's easy to access once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it so you can explore the available options and choose the one that fits your style. To begin, make sure Zoom is already open on your device and that you're signed in. Once you're on the main Zoom screen, look for the More option. This is where Zoom keeps additional tools and settings that aren't always visible right away on the main interface. Go ahead and click on More. After that, click on Settings. This will open the main settings area for your Zoom account, where you can adjust different features related to meetings, audio, video, and appearance. If you're new to Zoom, this section can feel a little packed with options, but don't worry, we're only focusing on the video customization area. Inside Settings, find and click on Videos and Effects. This is the section where Zoom groups together your camera-related appearance tools. Depending on your version of Zoom or the device you're using, the layout may look slightly different, but the name should be very similar. This area is where you can preview camera adjustments and explore built-in visual features. Once you're in Videos and Effects, click on Video Filter. This will take you to the part of Zoom where the available filters are displayed. From here, you can browse through the filter options and select the one you want to use. When you click a filter, Zoom usually applies it right away in the preview window, so you can instantly see how it looks before joining a meeting or while adjusting your setup. A helpful tip is to test your filter in good lighting so you can get the most accurate preview. Some filters look subtle, while others are more noticeable, so it's worth trying a few to find one that looks natural on your camera. If you don't see the exact wording I mentioned, make sure your Zoom app is updated, since menu names and placement can sometimes change slightly between versions. And that's it. That's how to find Zoom filters by going to More, then Settings, then Videos and Effects, and finally Video Filter. Once you know where this section is, it becomes much easier to personalize your Zoom appearance